My Chevy 1.4 was jerking, and I was thinking maybe the issue is fuel injectors and many other things. And I found out the truth that is the vacuum hose. I'll show you now. Okay, listen to them. Now, if you listen closely, you hear a hissing sound. So this hose, apparently, this one is the one that's causing all the drama. Alright, let me close it and then you hear the difference in the engine sound.